gonna be messy. This is so good. It's amazing. Everything is like a dance party in my mouth. This episode of Beyond the Plate, I am picking up in the early hours Chef Pablo Rojas of Provisions. We are going to spend a day in the life, starting with a boxing match, then we're gonna go and do a beautiful sandwich at his butcher shop, we're gonna eat dessert. It's going to be non-stop adventure. Stick around.
Heidi, I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite places in Saint Henry, Arnock, with my friend Herbie. And we're gonna do some boxing and see if you can handle it.
Pablo,
Yes.
what does it take to be a great chef?
It's a big question.
Yeah.
It's not, I thought you were gonna start up with something a bit more on the light side. First, it takes a lot of work, so your work ethic needs to be great, and you need to not be afraid of the long hours. And I mean, it's very stressful work. Let's not lie to each other. So you need a great team. And it all starts with who you surround yourself with. That's most, because alone you're not going to achieve much if you're alone. You need to try to stay as positive, I think, finding a solution instead of just being like, oh man, like what am I going to do? It's the end of the world. So the end of the world, you have a chance it's the end of the world, probably like every day you wake up. So now, time to go to Petit Italien on Bernard, another of my restaurants. So there's a lot of competition in the city. Many great restaurants and many great chefs, but it's just what's gonna make the difference. So you're gonna check numbers every day. You're gonna be on the floor every day, or as much as it's possible, involved with your guys, trying to push your guys to be better. That just being a cook is not enough. It's no more just a restaurant. It's a business, it's people's life, it's your employees that rely on you to have food on their table as well. And my biggest thing is I can't let them down. Like I said, every day we go to war, but we just have to make sure that we don't leave anyone behind. Next, we're going to Provision Butcher Shop for the best brisket sandwich of your life for a quick snack. When I started cooking, being a chef was barely not even a real job yet. You know, now it's like, you know, we're all stars, we're on TV, we have tattoos. It's so cool. But what they don't show is that it's been like 13 years I'm working an average of 70, 80 hours a week, and that you take no vacation, you don't spend time with your family. All that glamour that they show chefs, yeah, but there's a big part that you don't know these 25 years he's been working to get where he is. So now we're gonna go to San Marco on Jean Talon, my favorite bakery, to get some sweet pastry because you deserved it after the workout we did today.
Who've been your greatest influences?
When I was a younger chef, Martin Picard from Pied Cochon. David McMillan was a great friend, so I owe a lot to Dave. Stephen Leslie, Steve-O was a great friend of mine and probably one of the best chefs that I know. Very inspiring to see him work.
Pablo,
Yes.
where would you like to see yourself in the next 10 years?
Obviously, I would still gonna be here and serving people and cooking in the back. I want to see all the guys that are working with me taking over and shine on their own. Being supportive with them. That's, I think, when you're a great chef, is when people under you make it. I think that would be my nicest success, would be that. Yeah, at Provision, I'm very lucky because we're two chef partners. So it's me and Akim. We bounce the idea from each other, and we're like, without him, I would not be here. So I owe him everything.
Pablo,
Yes.
I really wanted to say how grateful I am for taking me out a day in the life and really seeing the behind the scenes of your amazing, beautiful spirit and how you take care of yourself first so that you're healthy and strong to lead your team and these incredible restaurants that you're running, managing, and chefing. And this day clearly went beyond the plate. And we had such a beautiful time
Thank you very
together,
much.
and I'm super, super grateful.
Thank you.